Wait, I have a question for you. Why do you call yourself strong for fixing other people like it's a badge of honor? Why do you celebrate staying in toxic relationships? Yes, I have been questioning that to myself from past few days and must चीज figure out कर ली है and I need to tell you guys. So every pain is not same. मतलब there will be some kind of pain that will empty you totally. You will start to feel some void inside you. But there will be pain that will grow you. Like दो different चीजें हैं. Let me tell you. Like there will be pain of giving your 12 hours a day to some competitive exam. It asks something from you and then it rewards you. But there will be other kind of pain, like you have been constantly putting efforts into somebody पर उनका वही सेम बिहेवियर है. दैट मीन्स तुम्हारी तरफ से तो कुछ जा रहा है बट यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द आउटकम. एंड द फर्स्ट वन वुड गिव यू ग्रोथ, कॉन्फिडेंस, विजडम. But the second one will completely empty you until you have nothing left. And then one day you'll come up and realize it was not just your energy. सारा कुछ ही दाव पे लग चुका था. You have put your all the mental peace into somebody, trying to fix them, trying to chase something which was never meant for you. And you will realize that अब कुछ भी नहीं बचा. Confidence खत्म हो चुका है, peace खत्म हो गई है, and now you are only left with pieces of yourself. And that's what we commonly see, that people think that they are broken pieces and they need somebody to fix them. अरे भाई कोई नहीं करेगा, अपना है अपने आप ही करना पड़ेगा. तोड़ा भी तो खुद ही था ना. Why would somebody else come? Just the way you put energy into somebody else but they could not fix themselves. Similarly, why would you want some other person to come and fix you until and unless you are not ready for yourself? I've been there, done that. A person constantly putting efforts to make you a bigger person, to make you realize that there are things about yourself which are affecting them. But तुम नहीं fix कर रहे हो क्योंकि तुम्हारे अंदर से वो feeling ही नहीं है. अगर वो फीलिंग तुम्हारे अंदर होती दैट यू वुड हैव दैट मोटिवेशन, तो सामने वाले को कहने की भी जरूरत ही ना पड़ती. इट मीन्स यू लैक समथिंग. इंटरनल मोटिवेशन इज मच मोर स्ट्रोंगर देन यू कैन एवर थिंक. बाहर वाला आगे कुछ भी बोलेगा, कुछ भी कहेगा, यू कैन नॉट जस्ट कम अप एंड से दैट ठीक है, वेरी इजी, आई विल डू इट. नहीं, बोथ काइंड ऑफ पेन इज ऑलमोस्ट आइडेंटिकल. पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि what you are up to. Which is why so many people confuse suffering with growth. They call it discipline, while it is destroying discipline. People call it discipline, kindness, loyalty, patience. But the reality is you are exhausted. You are literally exhausted. I made that mistake too. I stayed too long in certain expectations. I stayed too long in certain versions of myself, which I should have just left. I thought endurance was strength. I thought if I tolerated a little more, things would get better. I thought if I just stayed a little longer, things would have been better. Or maybe eventually they will get better. Slowly and gradually they will get better. But sometimes all you are doing is being tired. It's just that you do not know how to walk away from things. I personally do not know how to walk away from friendships I put all my heart into. I do not know that. And that's where I struggle the most. But somehow you have to learn or else khatam hai sab. Tata bye bye khatam. You have to learn, you have to go through it so you grow through it. Remember that. I was reading this one article which said that human beings can adapt to anything. That's why we said that jaisi sangati vaisi rangati. The kind of people you live with, the kind of person you become. So you choose that. You choose what you want to become. You choose what you do not want to become. Human beings can adapt to anything, even chaos, loneliness, misery, anything. You become so skilled at surviving the wrong environment that you forget what your peace looks like. You just completely get unaware of how things were before all this chaos. Your brain starts to neglect that part. उसको वो चीज दिखनी ही बंद हो जाती है. And that's when suffering comes into action. You are suffering, but you are confusing it with strength. You are thinking that मैं थोड़ा और tolerate कर लूँ, थोड़ा और हो जाएगा, it's okay, थोड़ा और time. But वो करते करते you have reached that stage of your mind where you do not know how to live in peace. You begin to mistake suffering for strength, endurance for purpose and self-destruction for discipline. इतनी शिद्दत से तुम अपने आप को बर्बाद कर रहे हो ना इसमें. It just reminds me of that dialogue. But why are we romanticizing it? We as a generation have romanticized so dumb things कि पेन में रहना बहुत मजेदार है, मजा आ रहा है, जूस लाओ. अरे यार, I don't know why. I have been there, I've done that. Yes, it starts to feel like जिस environment में हम रहने लगते हैं ना, वो हमारी habitat बन जाती है. But बनाना नहीं है उसे. Strength is not staying in places that drain you. Not everything that requires effort deserves your energy. जहाँ effort लगेगा, वहाँ energy तो लगेगी ही लगेगी. Just because you want to put efforts, do not forget that you are also putting your mental energy into things, and that can drain you if you do not get the desired outcome. Growth isn't about pushing harder. It's about having the courage to know when to walk away, when to let go, to accept that something which once deserved you no longer does. Because where your energy goes, your life follows. You need to remember that you put your energy into valuable things so you get valuable outcome. बेकार में लगाओगे तो बेकार ही मिलेगा. And if you keep pouring your energy into things that weaken you, one day you'll just wake up and with nothing left for yourself. जो था सब दे दिया. What about you? Who will think about yourself? Who will think about you? Who will come to save you? No one will. You have to save yourself. You have to do it for yourself. बाकी सब तो चलता ही रहेगा. As I said, there are different kinds of pain. The one which will ask something from you and give you the outcome is the one which will make you remember that yes, pain will help you become the person you want to become. But trying to endure more and more pain कि ठीक है कोई बात नहीं टॉलरेट कर लेते हैं चलेगा इट्स ओके थोड़ा और थोड़ा और थोड़ा और बट दैट्स डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ पेन which is not helping you become the person you want to become. Real strength is knowing what deserves your life and having the wisdom to leave what doesn't. The more you grow up, the more you will realize हर चीज में अपनी एनर्जी नहीं लगानी होती. हर चीज में ऑल इन नहीं होना होता. ऑल इन सिर्फ वही होना होता है जहां तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारे भी पत्ते अच्छे हैं एंड यू हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस दैट यस आई एम गोना विन दिस गेम. यू डोंट हैव टू प्रूव योर स्ट्रेंथ फ्रॉम सफरिंग. छोड़ दो. लेट गो. मजा आएगा. सी यू.